I am Cassidy Opple, and I am a customer success manager at Paperless Parts. So I've been in manufacturing space in some capacity for the last, almost 11 years now, I think. I started out in the MRO wholesale space, so selling into a lot of our customers, just kind of on a different side of things. And then I kind of moved into the job shop side of things. So in my last role, I oversaw sales estimating and project management for a job shop, really specialized in a little bit of anything and everything. In my journey for my next career, it just kind of seemed like the best fit for me. I love the industry. It is one of the coolest industries in the world. Everything that we're touching and seeing is made by our customers, which is super cool. And I think it's going to really help because I understand the pain, the day-to-day pain of what is actually going on and the comprehension of how a job shop works. A job shop is one of the hardest businesses in the world to run. There's no consistency. Everything you're doing is different. The customer demands are changing every minute, it feels like. And life after paperless just really sped up everything for us. We were really trying to grow the job shop side of our business, so getting quotes out on time was critical in doing that. And then metrics, we had no idea where we were. How many quotes were we getting out in a week? I don't know. What's our win rate? I don't know. So the visibility in that was huge. And I think one of the things we really didn't have a grasp on when we bought it was how much time we were wasting on data entry. So the integration into our ERP was incredible. There was one point in time in implementation that the integration actually crashed for a minute on our end, and my employees come in and they're like, I can't do this. I don't want to sit here and type all this in. I'm so used to this now. This is horrible. So that was really awesome. I've always loved paperless. I love the team. I love the product. And my favorite part is still just being able to be alongside our customers' journey and, seeing the cool things that they're doing and the customers that they're doing work for, and just having that involvement in, learning more about their businesses and American manufacturing. It just is so exciting.